This video will show you how to run a map report. I'm already in Illumin. Once again, you probably want to go to Discipline Coordinator, choose the discipline you want, or Department Coordinator. Make sure you're not in the department, but in a discipline. It's going to be better here. Go back to Discipline Coordinator. I'm in this discipline. And I have reports here. I'm going to run 2 reports, and they're both going to be Summary Map. A map shows the curriculum map, how course SLOs have been mapped to ISLOs or PLOs. And the first one is I can choose a title of this. I'm going to actually change this. ISLO map. I want to make it sure I know which discipline it is. Map. And then whatever the date is that I'm doing it might be a good idea so that I know what it is and when it was done. Make sure you choose here individual CSLO mapping. And then you're going to choose in through here, is it all courses? I'm going to just do all courses because it's an ISLO map. I'm not looking at one program at this time. I could include results for inactive courses if I wanted this, inactive CSLOs, PSLOs, or if I wanted to do this, I can choose as an Excel, as a PDF. I really do like a Word doc. I'm going to hit to generate report. It's going to automatically take me here to my document library. It's queued. While it's starting to come up with this, I'm going to run another report for the program. Same thing, ISLO, PSLO, Summary Map by course content, text by course or context. This time, I don't want to call it this. I'm going to do a program, so I'm going to say PSLO map. Well, which map? Which courses? Oh, advanced ESL, high intermediate. How about high intermediate? So if I say this one actually has no dots in there, high intermediate, I'm going to name it the program ESLO map. The date, whatever the date is always good to put there so you know. As an example, I'm not going to actually put in the date. This time I've already chosen this as the high intermediate. I'm not looking at course SLOs, I'm looking at what? High intermediate, right? And once again, individual CSLO mapping. So I'm in the right courses, the right PSLOs or ISLOs. Once again, I like to do it as a Word doc. I'm going to generate this document. As it's being generated, you see the first one's already been completed. When something's been completed, you click it on, and then you download it. And it goes to your downloads. This one's also going to go to my downloads. It's already done. You see how fast it is. And then I'll show you each of them. This first report is called ISLO ESL map. Remember, I named it. That's nice. It's got that naming. They did not name the file that way, so I'll just be honest with you, that's just how it is. It's going to list each course, and it's going to tell me lots of things. Now, unfortunately, this is like 25 pages. Why is it so many pages? Because first, they're going to link for each course. They're going to show me which ones link to which one. And this has only the first 1, 2, 3, 4 5 ILOs. And then what happens is, after they've done all the courses once, with those 5, they do all the courses again with the last 2. That's sort of a problem. I ran this as a Word document. Maybe it would have been better to run as an Excel document, and I think it might have looked better. I will try to show you this as an Excel document as well in just a minute. Before I can show you the Excel doc, I need to run the report again. And I'm going to go back here to the map. What do I want to call it? You understand? Maybe I'm going to go back to the ILO. I'm just going to call it ESL map. Could put in the date. I'm just doing the ISLOs, once again, the individual ISLOs. So I'm going to do it now as an Excel. You're going to see the difference and why this one is probably better as an Excel. I'm going to hit generate the report, and it's queued. It won't take that long to get generated. Then I will download it and show it to you. Great. Now you see how it looks in Excel, and we see all 7 ILOs. Its name, the ESL map, the date I could put in. It shows me how each SLO is mapped to all the ILOs, and it looks better in Excel to review and to make sure we like it or don't like it if we wanted to make any changes. Now I will show you the other report for just a PLO. This PLO report, once again, we see the naming of it. It only has 2 courses, so a total of 7 SLOs here, how they've been mapped. It pretty much shows everything on one page. It works well. However, if you have a program that has many courses, probably running the Excel would be better. Once again, I'll show you how to run the Excel. If you need to see that, you can, and the difference in the view you get. But it's pretty simple. It's going to be the same type of thing with Excel. You're going to see the courses, the SLOs on one side on the left, and you're going to see the PLOs on the top. Here I am again. I'm looking at my document library because I'm working on the reports, going back to run this as an Excel, the map for the program. Once again, I probably want to name it what it's going to be. So it's a PSLO, high intermediate, ESL, or maybe it's whatever it is. You understand? Whatever the name is of the program is probably a good idea. And then the date, you choose individual SLOs. The courses here are high intermediate ESL. Once again, I'm choosing high intermediate ESL, but I'm going to Excel. I want to just call this ESL. And I hit generate report. It generates the report very quickly. It's not even showing here. What happened? I thought it would show faster. Oh, there it is. It's completed already. We've got 4 of them done. I'm going to download this and show you it. Once again, we see the report here is pretty clear, and as an Excel report. You get it all right there. It's very easy to work with. I think Excel reports can be much better for these map reports. Thank you very much for listening to this. I hope this helps you in some ways with viewing and printing and evaluating the mapping of courses. The main reason we do this would be to see if it's correct, if there's any changes we want to make. Have a great day.